Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Finally, we have here the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro Smartwatch, one of the latest sports smartwatch from the company Zeblaze. And as you can see here, it has a sporty design, plus it has an AMOLED screen display, an ultra high definition AMOLED screen display. Despite its premium features here and design, the smartwatch is very affordable. Okay, it is just less than $25. So we are going to have the unboxing of the new GTS 3 Pro from Zeblaze. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, especially the features, okay, and the design, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, let's start. Let's unbox the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro Smartwatch. And as you can see here, okay, it has a description: stylish fitness and wellness smartwatch that helps you live a more energized life. So it tracks your sleep, activity, heart rate to provide guidance that's tailored to your body and lifestyle. Okay, so what are the features? Let's see. Do we have some details here? Okay, none. We have here on the front the AMOLED display, answer and make phone calls, that is Bluetooth calling, 24-hour health management. So I guess there's an option for 24-hour heart rate monitoring, and we do have here a multiple sports mode. Okay, so far the packaging is okay here. Okay, it's elegant, simple, but professionally made. Okay, so let's remove the plastic cover. Again, this is one of the newest wearable from Zeblaze, the Zeblaze GTS Pro Smartwatch. Again, subscribe, like, and share, okay, on our YouTube channel or this video. Okay, let's open the box here on the front. Let's check the contents. We have a user manual. Okay, so we have here the user manual, Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. We have the website here, zeblaze.com, and we have here the smartwatch details. Okay, so it is using the FitCloud Pro application available in iOS and Apple App Store. Okay, Google Play, App Store, Baidu Assistant to download. So we have here the size 46 by 39 by 10.5 millimeter for the specs. We have Bluetooth 5.2. The AMOLED screen is 1.97 inch. We have the HX3605 sensor. We have the resolution here, very high resolution, as you can see here, 415 by 505 pixel, and 260 mAh battery. So we have Bluetooth call, blood oxygen detection, heart rate detection. Okay, what are the additional details? Okay, nothing else except for it is available in other languages here. Okay, again, here are the specifications of our smartwatch, Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, so the contents are, again, we have the user manual, we have the smartwatch with a strap attached, I think, and we have here a magnetic pogo pin. Okay, USB again. Then let's have the strap here. So what's the strap? A silicone strap? Yes. Somewhat like a combination of a silicone strap and nylon here on top. Okay. Again, this is the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. So we have here the smartwatch, voice calling. We have the smartwatch here. As I have said, it's somewhat a combination of silicone and nylon. We have here silicone on the bottom part, and on the upper part somewhat like a nylon strap. Okay, we have plastic buckle here, and we have, let's see, PC material on the bottom part, and the bezel here is a metal. Okay, so far it looks good. Let's weigh in. Okay, so let's check on the weight of this wearable. Okay, I'll remove this one. Okay, got stuck, I think. Okay, still have some battery left. 0, and let's check. So 39.29, so almost 40 grams. Okay, again, we already have the dimension for the smartwatch. It's already here in the support app or user manual. Again, the measurement is 46 by 39 by 10.5 millimeter. Okay, it's a medium size wearable with a PC back cover here and a metal bezel. We have here, I don't know if this is a crown button, seems like, but we have here a power on and off button for the smartwatch. Okay, so far it looks good. It looks sporty, and I think it is a unisex smartwatch. Okay, so we have here some magnetic connector, and we have the sensor. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see if there's still enough power for the wearable. If not, we will charge it. Okay, to see the basic UI. Zeblaze. Then it's available in different languages. Let's see if this thing works. No. So let's check on the available languages. So it's available in different languages. Okay, so let's pick the English language. Please download and install Fit Cloud Pro. Scan to bind, scan code pairing. Okay, or we can just skip right now. Okay, 24-hour format. We'll switch to 12-hour format. Then that's it. Okay, do we have a slim black border? Let's see. Okay, so this is not working for the watch face. Okay, long press. Oh yeah, we do have a very slim black border. It's almost bezel-less, as you can see here. Okay, and it looks premium. It looks nice. I'm impressed with the design here and the looks. Okay, so let me wear it, so we'll see the entire look of the smartwatch. Okay, so here is your Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro smartwatch. Okay, looks beautiful. Okay, slide down. Okay, we have the quick settings here, including the brightness. For the music control, we have the settings here. On the other side, we have the split screen, and we have the different menus here. Okay, on the bottom part, we have the notifications. Typical setup for the smartwatch. The same with other wearable. But as you can see here, it has a beautiful screen display. Again, the screen is AMOLED display with a measurement of, let's see, again, 1.97 inch, and it has a 415 by 505 pixel resolution. Nice looking smartwatch so far. Okay, I'm impressed with the look of the Zeblaze GTS Pro Smartwatch here. It has a smartwatch or a sporty feel to it, at the same time with a premium look. Okay, Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. On our next video, we are going to explore the menus and features of the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro smartwatch. So drop a comment below if you have some queries. Please subscribe, like, or share the video. Bye.